Oh, right, that took a hot minute. Hello, this is Jason and this is the Braving the Outdoors. We got a comment, someone asking about ponchos, so this is this video, which is fantastic that people are commenting, or person commented asking, so that's also good. There's a couple of ways you could use this, and I am going to be showing you all. You can wear it over anything, pretty much. Bag, jacket, pretty much is a jacket, but I'm gonna have to put this on, so wish me luck, because it's pain. Oh, right, that took a hot minute, but we're back. See, you can wear it like this. It's quite baggy and it's like a big blanket. Quite big. It's good for keeping you warm, and it's 100% waterproof. I didn't know you got percentages, but apparently you do. So this is the poncho, which has multiple uses. Floor sheet demonstrated here. You will have like eye hole, metal hole things in them. I don't know the actual name. Which you could put tent pegs in or normal pegs, but I will do a little demonstration for you how to do it. You also might need a mallet because it can be a pain to put in. And well, I missed, but you get the point. And now you can sit down, and now you're all comfy. And now finally we have set it up as a tarp. So this is quite secure and good for eating under, reading. Maybe not good for sleeping. Personally, I wouldn't use this one for sleeping because, you know, it's too open. And also you can put it up like a regular tarp, but put a bit slant so the water doesn't gather up in the middle and you get soaking. That was Jason with the Braving of the Outdoors. See ya.